So I was doing a little bit of weeding around the nursery areas, and I was pulling up grass, and you know how grass can give you kind of like paper cuts, sharp? Yeah, so I ended up slicing my finger. I'm going to be using some Yarrow to help staunch the bleeding. Yarrow is so good at stopping bleeding because of its astringent quality. Things that are astringent tend to constrict blood vessels, which leads to reduced inflammation and also reducing bleeding and staunching bleeding. I just so happen to have some Yarrow here, Achillia millefolium. Okay, and all I'm going to do here is make a poultice. So I'm just going to crush up the Yarrow. It's very aromatic, okay? Then I'm just going to place it and press, just like this. And pretty much just like if you're using a bandage or something to stop the bleeding, it'll just keep pressure on it. The Yarrow is antiseptic, and it will help staunch bleeding and also help prevent infection. I mean, you still have to wash your hands and stuff and clean out your wounds, but it's good for minor cuts and scrapes. I also use Yarrow for a styptic powder. I dry out the leaves and powder it, and whenever I cut myself shaving, which I do pretty often, I use the powdered dry Yarrow as a very effective styptic powder. Here's what the styptic powder looks like. And I went ahead and took off what I had before, and just to show how this works. I'm just gonna get the powder here, get like a decent pinch of it. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it onto the wound. Then I can go ahead and secure it with a bandage or a cloth or something just to keep it there. All right, just a quick update. I only had the styptic powder on for like 5 minutes, and whereas this cut was steadily bleeding, is now no longer bleeding. Hey, go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you have any experience using Yarrow. How'd you use it? How'd it work for you?